Boys and girl, welcome back. We doing another Geoguessr video. You know the deal by now. We're going to play worldwide 2 games. One moving, one NPZ hard mode. Okay, let's go. Moving. Okay, so in this one, we're going to look for some clues. This is obviously Japan. Very easy giveaway is this pole here. That's just Japan simply. Slightly harder clue is this railing. There are some other countries that have a railing similar to that, but yeah, that is a Japan rail, and that little light there, that's a Japan light. So extremely easy Japan. Can't see too much there. Kind of looks like Australia with these trees, I gotta say. But yeah, obviously it's Japan. Is it north, south? It's very hard to say. I think the forests are more common south. Have I got that wrong? Forests are more common south. Let's just throw it there. Okay, yeah, no, quite far. Even further south than I thought. Okay, fine. It's UK. Yellow plates on the back and like white on the front is UK. Yeah, I mean, I'm allowed to move around, but you don't want to start running up the road. Let's just see if we can read a sign. Actually, we won't go too far. It's just English, isn't it? It's not like Welsh or Scottish. Broad Street Mall, is that London? Civic Centre, Oxford Road. I mean, is this just London? Yeah, don't fuck around, just throw it in London. There you go. Yeah, okay, just outside of London, whatever. Okay, so we're in some third world shithole. I'm not sure where. Interesting pole there. I'm just trying to place that. We'll come back to that. Well, I think it's Romania or Hungary is what that pole would be. Yeah, doesn't look like Hungary. Is it Turkey? What's that writing there? Is it actually Turkey? Oh fuck, where are we going? Yeah, Turkey with the mosque, yeah, surely. Because isn't that Turkish up there on that sign? Oh, I'm kind of getting lost now. Oh, but this pole throws me off. Are you Turkish? Yeah, Turkish flag. Okay, cool. Turkish flag, but for some reason I think it's quite close to this region, so let's just throw it there. Yeah, other side of Turkey. There you go. Found the flag, mate. It was fucking Turkey. This ain't Australia, is it? No, they're driving on the right, so it's North America. Yeah, I mean, I could move around and look for a sign, but oh look, it's just North America, front plate. Let's go for a walk. Yeah, I mean, I could run around until I find the name of the place on a sign, but let's just make a guess. Okay, big truck there. It could be anywhere. Let's just throw it. I'm just going to throw it in the middle. Could be there, actually. Yeah, a couple states over. What was it? Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah, okay. Interesting. Yeah, okay. This actually is Australia, right? Yeah, is that a Queensland plate? Let's keep investigating. Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, it's obviously Australia, as I said. There's a part of me that thinks that's a Queensland plate. Is this Brisbane? I mean, it could be. It could easily be Sydney or Melbourne. Look. I think Brisbane's a reasonable guess. Yep, okay, great. It's Brisbane. So how'd we go? Score of 19,000. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's get a little breakdown. Yep, got Turkey, got UK. got USA, got Australia, got Japan. So 5 out of 5 on the countries. Within the country, could have done better. Okay, so let's go to NMPZ. This is going to be much harder. So we'll see how we can go with this one. Okay, so it's India, isn't it? You got this up here, mixed with English, of course. Blurry camera, big blur at the bottom. Is that Bengali? So Bengali is spoken obviously in Bangladesh, but also in the area of India near Bangladesh. I just feel like that's Bengali. If it was Hindi, then it's going to be more like over here. But yeah, I just think that's Bengali. So let's see. Oh, it's actually Bangladesh. Okay. Usually Bangladesh would have better quality footage. So not sure what happened there. Okay, so this is obviously North America. Can't quite see if there's a license on the front of that car, which would help to narrow down the state. Look, is it like a Pennsylvania kind of area? It doesn't look too southern. I do think it's on the east side. Generally much drier over on the west. I'm just going to throw a Pennsylvania. I think it's anywhere between like here and here. Yeah, New York State. Okay, next one over. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, okay, so this one's Peru, I'd say, because that black and white stripes on the pole would be Peru. Apart from that, very, very dry, also fits for Peru. And yeah, this style of building. So yeah, looking like a Peru. What region? So Peru's really got 3 regions. You've got rainforest here. You've got like Andes in the middle. And then here you've got like the dust plain near the ocean. So I'm thinking this is the dust plain with a mountain over there. I'm going to go sort of Lima, like outskirts of Lima. But in reality, it's somewhere along this coast is what I'm thinking. Yeah, okay, so it's coastal, but down south. Okay, not too bad, not too good. Yeah, okay, so I'm looking at the bollard here. I think that's a red strip, which would indicate Hungary, I think. And if I see correctly, that's like a red and white chevron over there, which also fits for Hungary, I think. I mean, it's obviously Europe. I think that much is clear. So yeah, I think it's Hungary. But yeah, the buildings over there, it's hard to say. Let's just see. Germany. I'm not sure what happened there because Germany has white on the bollard. So yeah, I don't know what happened there. This one must be... That truck looks like North America. Yellow's in the middle. I think that's English. This kind of road, I don't know what you call it. I think is a Texas thing. And this kind of dry, flat area. Yeah. I'm thinking Texas. And I'm thinking in the dry kind of plains area of Texas. So, you know, this area of Texas. Genuinely don't know, but it's surely in this area somewhere. Yeah, so Texas, but over here. Okay, so not too bad. Let's get a breakdown. 16,000, not too bad. How'd we go? Yeah, so India, Bangladesh, mixed them up. What do we get? Yeah, USA, but one state over. USA got the right state. Got Peru. And then bungled this one a bit. I'm not too sure. Alright guys, we'll leave it there for now. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like. Please give a comment as well. And I'll see you soon. Bye.